No.
You got the blue ones over there too. Cool.
More.
More. Yeah. Here. Oh, you don't like that one? This is so cool. This is so OT. Or maybe it's math nerd.
Mommy, play.
Mommy's playing. I'm sorry, Mommy's playing too. You ready to start over? What color do you want to start with? Red? Okay. No, remember you gotta put different colors in. Larkin, can you say thank you, Aunt Bud?
Thank you, Bud.
Thank you, Aunt Bud.
Bud, it's a pack.
Okay. Okay, you're gonna start with the red. There you go.
Yay.
Right, red has to go in the green then. This is a seriously cool program to watch. As you can see, Budlet, she can play with this stuff totally independently. She likes it when other people play with her. This is the coolest toy ever. Want a pointy one?
No.
She's a little sniffly today, so this will be good, especially since it's snowy out. Oh hey, this is 3 minutes long. I should finish it soon. Hey Larkin, can you wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you look at me and wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say thank you, Aunt Bud.
Thank you, Bud.
Thank you, Aunt Hava.
Thank you, Hava.
Alright, we're done. I could watch this all day, but those of you out there in YouTube land probably couldn't. And there we go. Oh, Legos. She said she wants to get Legos. Supplemental box. Okay, bye-bye. Yep, because I was using Legos to hold the camera. Oh, this is going to be a 4-minute video, Larkin. That's kind of long. Ear piercing. Okay.